to get to me, which is a bit of a bummer, but it's here now. Doodle-doo-doo. I have a few bits from Southward. They all come sealed in plastic bag. First thing about it is lovely, lovely soft case. One of the reasons I ordered this one in particular, and not one of the bigger ones, is because of the size of the case. This is a very nice fit in your pocket. It's just nice and compact. I found a lot of other cases, they're just that little bit wider, and it just doesn't help when you're trying to shove them in your pocket. Now, zip is nice and smooth. Doodle-doo-doo-doo-doo. Aha. Now that does feel a little bit stiff. Here we go. 32 pieces. They didn't actually say what thickness this is, so I did look on the site. It's a long double-ended. Try and get one of the regular picks out. Just see what size they are. We are zeroing now. Okay. 0.65 in millimeters, which is 26 thousandths. So we can say it's not a very accurate caliper, so we can just say about 25 thousandths is probably more like it. So what are we getting it? We have these double-ended. I've had these before and don't really actually use them. Doodle-doo-doo. Little snake rake. Handle is just standard. I do use these. I love them. I have had some Southward stuff before. The finish, it's not sharp. I'd say you could do a little bit more finishing on them, but they've definitely been tumbled. Let's take everything out from this side. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Okay. So there's some different handles in these ones. There's a rake. What else do we have in here? Half diamond. Another half diamond. The ones with the handles on them feel a lot thicker. They're a lot heavier to hold. City rake. Focus. There we go. Come on, focus, focus, focus. There we go. For a mass-produced city rake, it's actually finished quite well. I'd put that straight into a lock. That is the snake rake repeated with the thicker handle. We have the thin handles. Another snake rake. Okay. A key extractor. And I'm just wondering, is this the same thickness? Because it doesn't mention dual thickness in anything. Close that up. Zero it. So yeah, we're coming back in at 26 thousandths. That is another broken key extractor in a handle. We have another two half diamondy types, both plain handles. City rake again with the thick handle, and we have this little mini rake and pick. So that's side one. In here we have double-ended wiper blade insert. We have this little tool which is for auto locks. I have tried this in a few wafer locks, as in cam locks. It tends to be slightly too big. Yeah, let's see what we have on the other side. We have a very useful wiper blade with a bend on it. This is a wiper blade with twist. Focus. Yep. I find this one very, very useful. A ball rake with a thick handle. Great for wafer locks. Actually, the other one is with Snowman. This is the ball rake. Again, thick handle. Get the rest of these out of here. Let's see, another wiper blade with a twist in it. To be honest, I prefer the long one because I have big hands. Two more wiper blade inserts, different sizes. Half snowman. I have used snowmen, half snowman in wafer locks a fair bit, and I just love them. Again, the ball rake, the snowman rake, no handles in these. I have to say, I kind of prefer how they feel in my hand without the handle on them. I don't know if that's just because I was used to using the ones without the handles first. See, another ball. It's a hook with a big overreach. There's another hook, shorter, with the handle. That is the shorter hook without the handle. The bigger hook again with the handle. And finally, another half ball with a handle. There's not a lot of hooks in this set, to be honest with you. But everything is more or less useful. A lot of stuff repeated. They do a MPXS 72 or 62 piece, which is, I think it's just multiples of the same again. Might be a different gauge actually in that set. From what I can tell, all these are about 25,000s, which is fine. I have other sets that are in smaller, but for a beginner set, the only thing this is really missing is top of the keyway tensioners. I do find, and out of the South Ord, I do use this hook a fair bit, because I do have another set with this in it. So it's really, I would have liked to see a few more hooks rather than snowmen, balls, half balls. They're great and all, but you don't use a huge amount of them. And when you do use them, they're not the sword that you break. You're going to break hooks more. So, that's it. She's empty. It's a lot of picks to have in the case. I'd probably slim it down, take out multiples if I'm sticking this in my everyday carry. But it is one of the better cases you'll see around. Nice leather. It's not rock solid inside, but it's firm enough, especially when you put the two of them together. So that was the South Ord MPXS 32. Definitely good value for money. If you liked the video, click like and subscribe. Thanks very much.